This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries. I'm working on their physical computing unit, and the lesson, make a game. Finishing touches and testing. Perfect. At this point, you should have most of your program in place. Now you need to add whatever finishing touches are needed to do a little testing. When your app is ready, have your classmates try it out. Oh, but it's just me. I guess I'm my classmate. Maybe you watching are. See if you can find any bugs, confusing design choices, and missing features you'd like to work on. Once you're all done with this version of your program, click Submit to turn it in. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's do some testing. Let's make sure. Oh, I need to fill out my start function. For start, what we're going to do is I'm just going to do, I don't love the idea of a global variable. Okay, I'm going to do, my variable is just going to be start, and then it's going to be false. And why I have this, well, I'll show you. And then what this is going to do in start, it's going to be start equals true. It's going to change start from false to true. And so then inside of each of these, whoops, I'm going to put an if statement that checks if the person has hit start yet. If start double equal sign, because it's an equality operator, we're checking if something is true. If start is equal to true, then we'll allow them to move. Otherwise, we don't care if they're pressing the red button. Nothing's going to happen. Or the left and right button. Start equals true. Then I will allow the rest of this game to play. Otherwise, nothing is happening. Now, my replay function. To replay this, what I want to do is I'm going to want to set the screen, but first let's change some things up. We're going to need to set the property, right? We want to reset the controller to where it was. So controller x equals whatever it used to. Let me see. So I set x to be 110 and y to be 130. Okay. Oh, but y won't change. We're just pulling it back and forth. So I'm going to set x to be equal to 110 again. And then I am going to set screen, well, here, control, nope. I need to set the variable now start to false again. Start is going to be equal to false now, so they can't press a button and play yet. And then we're going to change the screen. Set screen to game screen. Something else we need to do is at this point, once someone wins, I asked set screen player text left. I changed the win. Actually, we won't need to change it back because it will change next game anyways, I think. This is what testing's for. Oop, one more thing I wanted to add is let's do a win frequency. Set screen win, sure. And then let's leave that one as that, 500, and then let's set this frequency to 2000. I don't know. 5 seconds, which would be 5,000 milliseconds. Okay, let's see if this works. Who knows? First, I'm going to check if my start's working. It looks like it is. Let's hit start now. I think I clicked it. Yep. And this is the right button. Let's see when I win. Did I get the numbers good? That looks alright. Oh, that's long. We're gonna change that to 2 seconds. And 2 seconds. Cool. Alright, now let's see if we can, oh, I'll reset, I guess. And now I'm gonna make sure it doesn't run when I hit the left button, right? Nothing. Alright. clicked run. Let's see when I win on this side. It should be about the same. And it says left here. Awesome. And we could have this change. We could do all sorts of stuff. I love it. Let's double check that replay works. Now it shouldn't. It's not letting me move, which is exactly what we want. And let's hit start. Awesome. I love this. Cool. But that is my game, and it all works. So you should make something super awesome. What I'm about to do, though, is I'm going to share this in the description below. Now, keep in mind, you can plagiarize a game. Yes, it is called plagiarism. You can take a look at this, steal some ideas from it, use it somehow you want, but make it entirely your own, or make something way, way, way better. But I'll put this in the comment below. You can play it some, try it out. Yeah, and hopefully you create something awesome. If you do, you should share it in the comments below. So I'm going to go ahead and hit share right now and publish. So awesome. Let's keep going.